Now I'll just show you how to stream audio as well. If you go to your iTunes here, we'll put something else on. I don't want to be listening to that. Oh, that's it, Rolling Stones. If you look at the bottom there, you'll see Ford Focus. Now, there has been an update. It used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 silver circles that you can hardly see. There's a tick next to Ford Focus. iPhone there, tick next to Ford Focus. I'm going to turn that down. Then we go over to the unit. As I say, you see the source button there, but from whatever screen you're on, that menu bar at the bottom will disappear in a second, so we'll just wait for it to go. Right, so you can change from here source, the easiest way to change radio station from AM to FM to DAB and so on, but controls over there in the left hand side with the triangle, click on there, and then you've got here settings, mobile apps, navigation, phone and audio. We click on audio. And then sources at the top, sources. You see Bluetooth, Barry's phone there with the Bluetooth sound. So that's come on there. So if I turn this up, it's showing what's going to play there. And then I'll just turn it up on my phone. Also, this system with the Apple CarPlay, if you plug your phone in like so, you will see there it kind of duplicates your phone screen, so you can use your phone through this through the control system here. So you've got messages, audio books, whatever you've got, and you can just scroll through them, listen to anything. There you go, Audible. And if I turn that up,
164 miles in any direction.
Fantastic system. Music. We'll go to iTunes, find iTunes on there, and let's just turn it up. So great system in the Ford, absolutely second to none.